Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about exponents. We're going to look at exponent questions. Here I have 9 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 divided by 18 to the power of x times 2 to the power of negative x. So the best thing here to do is to first look at your bases. I have base of 9, 3, 18 and 2. So I have to convert them to the possible conversions so that they can have the same base and apply the exponent laws and solve the problem. So the best thing I'm gonna look at my numerator and try if I can convert them into same bases so I can use my exponent laws. So I have 9 to the power x. 9 to the power x, 9 is the same as 3 times 3, which give me 3 to the power of 2x, because obviously 2 times x give me x. So plus this, I will remain it like this, because obviously I have already other terms which now have identical or the same base to this one. So I have to leave this one so that I can use my exponents at the end of the day to solve my problems. I'll use my exponent laws. And divided by 18, we know 18 is the same as 9 times 2 to the power x. I leave here the same because here I can do anything. This 2 to the power of negative x, I can do anything into that. For the moment I'll leave it like that. So yeah, so guys, why did I say 9 to the times 2? So that I can have an idea. I already have an idea that most of my bases are already 3. So at least when changing the 18, I have to make use of something that will give me 3, a base of 3. So that's why I'm saying 9 times 2, which 9 can also be changed to the basis of something else. So now here, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna expand. I'm still gonna leave 2x plus 3 to the power of 2x. This is the same as times 3, because obviously I split this. Now divided, I change this one to 3 to the power of 2 times x, give me 2x, and then times 2 to the power, then I'm gonna 1 times 2, 1 times x give me 2 to the power x times, I change this one, this is the same as 1 over 2 to the power x. These two cancel each other. I remain with what? The expression of 3 to the power of 2x plus, I'll take a common factor here, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna take a common factor here. So I take a common factor because there is a common term here. So I can take a common factor. I have here 1 plus this divided into this cancel, so I remain with 3 divided I still gonna remain with this. Remember, this has been cancelled, so I'm still gonna remain with my 3 to the power of 2x, which cancel each other. Then my answer is gonna be 4. So revision into this. So we first convert the 9 to the power of to 3 to the power of 2x, and then we also convert here 18 to 9 plus 9 times 2, which is the same thing. Now I end up having this, so I take out a common factor here. So guys, why I take out a common factor here, of 3 because I can see that I have a 3 to the power of 2x on this side, and then this 3 to the power of this side at this time. So so I can take a common factor, then I can remove 3, and then I cancel this one because obviously it's a division, so my answer is gonna be 4. So question 2, we are having 5 to the power of 2006 minus 5 to the power of 2006 plus 24 over 5 to the power of 2004 plus 1. So this question requires not to use a calculator. So we're gonna do it by ourselves, and then we're gonna do it without a calculator. So the best thing is here, this, as you can see, that the numbers are having exponents, so we're gonna apply, obviously it's an exponential expression, so we're gonna apply exponential our exponent laws where possible to solve this problem. Now the first thing we're gonna do that is we're gonna start with the numerator first. Let's try and change things here, or if also possible, and take out a common factor. So the first thing here, you can see that we're having a base of 5 to the power of 2006, and then we're also having a negative 5 to the power of 2004. Now guys, can you see there's a common? Now we can take a common factor here, obviously of 5 to the power of 2004, because obviously they have we can have a base, we're having a base of 5 here, and then we have, so here we can take out a common factor of 5 to the power of 4, and then bracket 5 into 2004. This is the second, or this is, we apply the second law, which says that when dividing the same basis, we minus the exponent. So 2006 minus 2004 give me 5 to the power of 2. This divided into this 5000 5 to the power of 2004 divided by 5 to the power of 2004 give me minus 1 plus 24 over 5 to the power of 2004. We are not doing any changes here because there's nothing we can do here for now. Let's concentrate with the numerator, because since we have already done a change here, or we have taken a common factor, let's see and find out how it's gonna look, then we can see the next step. The first thing is to do, we can first change this is gonna give you 24, so this is gonna give you 5 to the power 5 to the power of 2 4 bracket, this is 24, because 5 to the power of 2 is 25 minus 1 give me 24 plus 24 over 5 to the power of 2004 plus 1. So guys, can you see again that at the numerator we're having a 4, and then here we also a 24 and 24. So we're having 5 to the power of 2004 times 24 plus 24. So we can take out again a common factor. Yes, we can take out again a common factor of, we can take out a 24 again, of 24 24 24 24 into this give me to our remaining 2005 to the power of 2004. 24 into 24 is 1, so I can have plus 1. I divide that into 5 to the power of 2004 plus 1. Now guys, can you see this is the same? Can you see my numerator and my denominator? So this, I cancel it since they are the same, so my answer is gonna be 24. Alright, so let's go to the next question. The next question, we're having 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus 12 plus 3 to the power of x minus 1 over 7 times 9 to the power of 3, all of that has an exponent of 1 over x. So guys, also remember that this also means x. It basically means x. Alright, now the first thing is I'm gonna expand this. I'm gonna expand some of the values already so that I can see what to do first. I'm gonna say 3x times 3, which is the same thing because this is 1. So this is the laws of first law. It did say that when timesing the same a base is the same base, and then if two values that has the same base, and then add the exponent. So that's the laws, the first law of exponent. And then plus 12, I'm gonna expand that also 3 to the power of x. This is also the same as 1 over 3 because you can have 1 over 1, so it's the same as that. 1 to the power of 3, I'm gonna have 3 to the power of negative 1, which is the same as 1 over 3. All of that divided into 7, divided by 7, then 9 to the power of x is the same as 3 to the power of 2x. All of that is an exponent of what? 1 over x. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start with the numerator, because here at the denominator I can't work with something like this, but instead at my numerator I have a lot of values, so I have a complex expression, so I first have to work with that. So the best thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out 3 to the power of x, because I can see that there's a plus, yes, plus sign, yes, but and then add this term I have a 3 to the power of x, and then this term also I have a 3 to the power of x, so I'm gonna take out 3 to the power of x, then I remain with 3. 3 to the power, I remain with what? So I'm gonna remain with 12. uh, 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x, so I'm gonna remain with 12 times 1 over 3. So you know that that is plus 4. This is 4 because 12 times 1 over 3 is 4, so I'm gonna have this. Then I remain with 7 times, I expand this, is the same as 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x. All of this has a exponent of 1 over x. This is 7, and then down is also 7, so they can cancel each other. And then 3 to the power of x, then I have to go 3 to the power of x down. I can cancel that, so I remain with 1 over 3. Here I remain with 1, then here I'm gonna remain with 3 to the power of x. All of this has the exponent of 1 over 3 over x. So I'm gonna have to work here. This is the same as 3 to the power of negative x. Alright, so this is also this, and then I'm gonna have 1 over 3x. So negative x times 1 over x, this is the same as this. So the x's will cancel each other because this is the same as 3 to the power negative x times 1 over x. So negative x times x gonna cancel. I'm gonna remain with x over to the power of 1 over 1, which is the same as 1 over 3. So thank you very much. I've come to the end of my video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave by the question by the comment section. And also, if you don't understand, or if you want something, you can just leave by the comment section, please.